Here we have to solve this differential equation. It is a linear differential equation where p is equal to 2 tan x and q equal to sin x. First we'll find out if integrating factor, which is e power integration of p dx, e power integration of 2 tan x and dx. Now we integrate it. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. Shift this 2 in the power, e power log of sec square of x, which is equal to sec square x by the property of logarithm. Now general solution, y into if integration of q if dx plus c. y if is sec square of x, q is sin x, if is sec square of x dx and plus c. y sec square of x equal to integration of sin x. Sec square x is 1 upon cos square of x, 1 upon cos x and sec x. To this sec square x, we have written sec x into sec x, and one sec is converted into 1 upon cos and other is sec dx plus c. Y sec square of x equal to integration of tan x sec x dx and plus c. Y sec square of x equal to integration of tan x sec x is sec x and plus c answer. Here it is given x equal to pi by 3 and y equal to 0. Put x equal to pi by 3 and y equal to 0. Y sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is 2 and square of this. Sec pi by 3 is 2 and plus c. Y is 0, so here it is 0. C equal to minus 2. Therefore, y sec square of x equal to sec of x minus 2 answer. Here we have to divide by 1 plus x square, divide by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square y, 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Here p equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. If e power integration of p dx, e power integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. If we take this as t, it becomes et. So dt upon t is log t, e power log of 1 plus x square, which is equal to 1 plus x square. Now general solution, y into if integration of q if dx plus c. Y if is 1 plus x square integration of q 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square into 1 plus x square dx and plus c. Cancel this with this one. Y into 1 plus x square equal to integration of this is tan inverse of x and plus c. X equal to 1, y equal to 0. This becomes 0 into 2 equal to tan inverse of 1 plus c. 0, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 equal to c. Therefore y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x and minus pi by 4 answer. Now here we have to solve this differential equation. Here p equal to minus 3 cot x and q equal to sin 2x. Integrating factor if e power integration of p dx e power integration of minus 3 cot x and dx e power minus 3 integration of cot x is log of sin x, so it becomes sin of x whole power minus 3. Now general solution, y into if integration of q if or dx plus c y sin x whole power minus 3 equal to integration of q sin 2x into sin x whole power minus 3 dx plus c y sin x whole power minus 3 equal to sin 2x, formula is 2 sin x cos x upon sin cube x and dx plus c. Cancel this, here it becomes square. Y upon sin cube x equal to integration of 2 cos upon sin is cot x and 1 upon sin is cosec x dx plus c. Y upon sin cube of x equal to 2 integration of cot x cosec x is minus cosec of x and plus c. At x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 2. So 2 upon 1 minus 2 cosec pi by 2, cosec pi by 2 is 1 and plus c. So we shift this 2 on this side, 4 equal to c. Therefore y upon sin cube of x equal to minus 2 cosec x and plus 4 answer.